Hello everyone, welcome back to Touch to Click. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Bluetooth driver error in Windows 10 step by step, so you can easily resolve connection issues and get your Bluetooth working again. Now let's get started. Step 1. Click on the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen, then select the gear icon to open Settings. The Settings window allows you to control and manage important system features on your computer. Opening it is necessary because Bluetooth troubleshooting options are available inside System Settings. Step 2. In the Settings menu, click on Update and Security. This section contains Windows Update options, recovery settings, and troubleshooting tools. It is important because it provides access to features that help fix system and driver-related problems. Step 3. Click on Troubleshoot from the available options on the left side. The Troubleshoot section is designed to detect and fix common Windows issues automatically. Accessing it helps you find tools specifically made to repair hardware and driver errors. Step 4. Click on Additional Troubleshooters to access the main Troubleshoot menu. This area lists different troubleshooters for various components of your system. It is important because Bluetooth has its own dedicated troubleshooter here. Step 5. Under Find and Fix Other Problems, select Bluetooth and click on Run the Troubleshooter, then follow the on-screen instructions to fix the driver error. The troubleshooter will scan your system, detect issues with the Bluetooth driver, and attempt to repair them automatically. Make sure to complete all prompts shown on the screen. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click.